Welcome to Science in the Kitchen. I have a mold, some gelatin. For vegan option, you can swap gelatin out with a small amount of agar. I have some fruits, papaya. This isn't a fruit, but that's ginger, pear, and apple. And then I have some frozen fruit that has dragon fruit, passion fruit, and pineapple. And I have some frozen mango. So I am going to go make some fruit gummy. So I'm not going to use fruit juice to make my homemade gummy. So I have to blend my whole fruits to get the juice or some extract. I might leave some pulp in it to get some texture. So I already have some tea. It's fennel, hibiscus, some mixed berry that I brought back from Bali, as well as some cinnamon. So this is the tea I brought back from Bali, and I'm going to add that to my blender / fruit processor, add bits and pieces of the fruits in it, and then pulverize that to get my juice. Once that's done, I'm going to bloom the gelatin. So think of when you're making bread and you put the yeast in some water and then you get it to puff up or become bubbly. So that's what I'm going to do with the gelatin. But let me do the juice part first. So I'm going to do the mixed fruit berry first. Oh, it smells so good. I drank a lot of passion fruit when I was in Bali. Actually, I'm going to pour some of the liquid into the bag to get the juice out. Oh, this is warm. Oh, actually, blending the dragon fruit is going to cause seeds to be in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to blend the dragon fruit. I'm just going to add water to dragon fruit and let the liquid flow out. It's going to become grainy. How do I know? Because I was making some protein-rich popsicle, and I blended the dragon fruit and I did not like the outcome. So we won't do that. We'll just let it sit in some warm water. But I'll blend the passion fruit and the pineapple just in a little bit of juice. Okay. Cover your ears. Okay. So I have the juice. I'm going to bloom the gelatin. I have a little saucepan. Okay. I guess I have to do proper measurement. Oops. There's a piece in it that was not blended out properly. I'll blend it again. Okay, so yeah, I'm not doing any measurements. Don't follow me. But you should add I don't know if this is enough. So for the gelatin, you don't want to boil it too much, because then the texture changes. So I have the gelatin. I'm going to transfer it into a new container. Okay, this is what one pack looks like. How many grams? This envelope is pre-measured to say 2 cups or 500 ml of liquid. It contains the equivalent of 1 tablespoon, which is 15 ml of gelatin. All right, so it says so I'm going to pour it, let it sit for a bit. Okay, let me do this. I'm just trying a thing. All right, so I'm going to just sprinkle some gelatin. I don't know how much I'm sprinkling over it. Ooh, so I'm just trying to sprinkle it evenly. I hope this is not like baking where the measurements and everything has to be exactly, or it will be ruined. Hopefully that's not the case. I don't know, does that look even? Ooh. I don't know. Am I adding too much? I don't even know what blooming looks like. Hopefully it looks, I mean, this isn't yeast, so I'm not expecting it to look like the blooming of yeast when you're baking, but I don't know. I'm not going to use all of the gelatin because I have other fruits that I want to try it with. But this is just the dragon fruit, pineapple, and passion fruit. And gelatin, why am I using gelatin? I'm trying to get more protein in my diet. And I make beef broth as well. And so once I make the gummies, I can add them to my chia Greek yogurt pudding. Okay, I am also trying to do a low sugar, so I don't think I'll probably add artificial or natural sugar, whether other than what's already in the fruit. So like honey, maple syrup, other sort of sweeteners. Next, so while it looks like it's blooming, right? Look, it's creating ridges in it. So while that's happening, I am going to heat the remaining juice on low heat. I don't want it to boil. I'm going to heat it in my little saucepan, but because it looks like a brain, but because it had like a big piece of unblended pineapple, I'm going to blend it again, try to get the pineapple to become smooth, and I'll add it to my saucepan and gently heat it over low heat. I don't want it to boil. I guess it's like making jello. This is the juice that I'm gently heating. Don't do this. Okay, it can become warmer. Use a thermometer, don't follow me. But once it's heated a bit, I'll add the bloomed gelatin and whisk it together. And then I put it into the molds and put it into the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to set. If that's what bloom means. I don't have a smaller whisk. So I am just going to use the big one that I have, and hopefully it does the job. Okay, so this is my heated. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I should do it in this. So you want to mix it until there's no pulp or lumps. So because I'm not going to add anything else to it, so this would be the time you add your flavor, whether lemon if you want it a bit tart, or vanilla extract if you want a bit more depth to it, but I'm just going to use whatever natural flavors are in the fruits in mine. Do I have a dropper? I should have gotten a dropper so I could put it in the mold. I don't know, maybe, see, I don't know if it's thick enough. Trial and error. Maybe I should have let it bloom longer. Well, I know what, this is the first one, so I can always optimize it if I make it, again, if I like how it tastes. Okay, I'm going to see if I have a dropper so that I can, it would be easier to put it into the molds versus trying to pour it. If not, I'm going to see if I have a nozzled bottle, then I could easily pour it into it. I'll be back. Okay, that was quick. I found a dropper. Oh, I have pieces of fruits in it. It's okay. Or maybe it was the ginger. Maybe a nozzled bottle would be better. It goes faster. And I think I need to do this quickly so that the gelatin doesn't start to set in the molds. I think I don't have enough molds, and I think I made a lot. So what I'll do is put the rest like in a ice tray. Oh my god, air bubbles. Ugh, I didn't realize there were so many pieces that did not get blended properly. Oh, I don't like that it has air bubbles. It's like when I make my agar plate, I do it so that I don't get air bubbles in it. But I am against the clock. If I do this again, then I'll get a nozzled bottle. I want to do a cake. I guess I could make one, but then it will be too messy. Those cake, I don't know what it's called, that they use for the icing. My hand is tired. Okay,